The question from 2023, so same as the fourth dimensional formula, okay, to find the relation between physical quantities. So force, first write the dimensional formula of force. What is this? mLT minus 2. And next one, velocity dimensional formula, LT inverse. Next one, time dimensional formula, it's a T only. And consider as a fundamental physical quantities, then dimensional formula of density. Dimensional formula of density is what? Mass per volume. So m by v, it's what? M L to the power of minus 3. First part is over. Okay. So next I'm talking about this is just what you write, the relation density is proportional to or is equal to F. In order you can write V and T. V power X. This is what? Y. This is what? Z. Write the dimensional formula of density. ML minus 3 is equals to force MLT minus 2 to the power of X. So LT inverse to the power of Y. Next one, T only, so to the power of what is it? It's a Z. Okay. So just I substitute these things. Now ML minus 3 is this, is equals to M to the power of X, L to the power of X, T power minus 2X, L power Y, T power minus Y, T power Z. Then compare the terms. Okay. First again one more condition you can write. ML minus 3 is equals to M to the power of only M, X, L to the power of Y, this is X, 1, 2, correct, X plus Y, and T to the power of minus 2X minus Y plus Z. Okay. So now compare the terms. Yes, comparing the terms, right? It's a comparing the terms. Yes. So comparing the terms is what? First one, M to the first M, I'm comparing this. Comparing the terms of M. So what is M here? 1. 1 is equals to X. My first one is over. This is the first condition. Next one, comparing the terms of L. L is what? So minus 3. Minus 3 is equals to, so what we have? X plus Y. So this is what? X plus Y. Minus 3 is equals to 1 plus Y. Y is equals to minus 4. Okay. So is the second condition. And comparing the terms of T. Okay. Comparing the terms of T. What is the T here? 0 is equals to, what is this? Minus 2X minus Y plus Z. 0 is equals to minus 2 into 1 minus Y means what? Minus 4 plus Z. Okay. So this is what? Minus 2 plus 4. So what is this? 0 is equals to minus 2 plus 4 plus Z. Okay. 4 minus 2, 2 will become as minus 2. Minus 2 is equals to what is it? Say Z. So this is what? Third condition. Now we can check about, so to the power of first one X. First one is what? X. X is what? 1. Next one. Y is what? Minus 4. Next one minus 2. So this is minus here printing. Okay. Option is B.